Welcome back to a new year. We are excited to be back in person teaching the students that have been entrusted to us. Things will look and feel different as we try to mitigate the possibility of having COVID-19 impact our in-person education, as evidenced by this open house welcome video and devotion. Our plans for mitigation can be found in our COVID-19 preparedness plan at emmanuelmankato.org/school. For open house, we ask that you wear a face covering while in the building. We have scheduled when you should arrive to drop off supplies, take pictures, complete any missed forms, and make a tuition payment. Staff members will greet you and help direct you through the building to locations you need to be. We have established a one-way traffic lane through most of the building to help promote social distancing. Our biggest points of emphasis to our families with regard to COVID-19 are these. If you are sick, stay home. If you have COVID-19 symptoms, get tested. Wash your hands frequently and practice social distancing. We want to have in-person education for the entire year, and these practices will help us in getting there. In addition to our points of emphasis, we will be utilizing face coverings inside the building, spreading out classrooms as much as possible, separating the combined grade levels of 1st through 6th, having students eat lunch in their classroom spaces, delivering lunches to kindergarten through 6th grades, and establishing cleaning schedules for highly used surfaces. While we are implementing new procedures to open the year as cautionary steps, we can't forget that no matter what we do, God is really in control, and we need to put our trust in the fact that He will take care of us, sustain us, and allow us to continue His work, whether it be in person all year or via distance learning if we find ourselves in that situation again. In the end, God is why we are here, and it is in His message of salvation through Jesus Christ that we can all truly feel safe.